This year, according to the IRS, taxpayers are delaying filing their returns, and that means between now and deadline day, many of you will still be hunting for a tax preparer. Fox 5i team's Dana Fowle has some guidance.
You know, there are a lot of good options for tax prep. You can do it the old-fashioned way, that's pen and paper, or you can use online software, or you can hire somebody. And many of us pay someone to do it for us because we aren't sure about doing it ourselves. But know that there are tax preparers with many different skills and many different education levels. And we're going to highlight 5 tax preparer options. And let's start with these more highly skilled folks. And I say that because they have what are called unlimited rights, which means they can represent you to the IRS if you're audited, if you have collections issues, or if you have to appeal. They've got broad representation. Now, in this group, the average person is more likely to use an enrolled agent. They are licensed by the IRS. They have to pass a special exam. And if you're not happy with your enrolled agent, you can complain to the IRS. Then there's the CPA, a certified public accountant. They are licensed through state boards, and they can handle really challenging tax returns, but they can also help you in tax planning. Then there's an attorney. Some attorneys specialize in tax prep, and some come to the table with double degrees, both law and accounting degrees. Now, most of us don't need that probably, but some of us do, but you'll pay for that expertise. Now, here's another section of tax preparers, those with limited rights, which means a few things. They can only represent clients if they actually did the return for them, and their representation is limited to IRS customer service reps and revenue agents, PTIN holders, and annual filing season program participants. Both groups of tax preparers are not credentialed in the way we talked about just a second ago. In the program participant category, these folks have received 18 hours of tax prep education. The IRS keeps a database of their names, which means they've been given the okay to do your return. And lastly, all tax preparers have to have an IRS PTIN holder number. But if they get money to prepare returns, they all have that. But this is your least credentialed group if they have no degree, no classes, no certification, and no continuing education, just the PTIN. They simply have permission by the IRS to do your return for a fee. Lots of options depending on your needs on our website, fox5atlanta.com, and on my Facebook page at Dana Fowle Fox 5. We've got the IRS links to enrolled agents and other info that you might want to check out.
That's helpful, Dana. The tax filing deadline, April 15th?
As a rule, yes, but this year it's not. This year it's Tuesday, April 18th. Again, the 18th, because the 15th falls on a weekend, so they, generally move it to Monday, but Monday in the District of Columbia is a holiday, so it's moved over to Tuesday, the 18th.
So
but don't delay.
A few more days to procrastinate is what it sounds like, the 15th to the 18th. All right, some good advice, Dana. Thank you for that.